No matter how the seasons change, we can always feel your temperature. Accompany you to distant destinations. A world in a car. Suzhou Zoncen, an automotive air conditioning compressor systematic solution supplier. Join hands with you while crossing the wind and rain. Established in September 2004, Suzhou Zoncen is in a superior location. 70 kilometers to Shanghai Hongqiao Airport. 25 kilometers to Suzhou Railway Station. Equipped with 55 machining lines, 11 assembly lines, combined with many years technology accumulation, Zoncen has strong manufacturing capacity. We keep people-oriented, quality, excellence, and innovation as management philosophy and quality policy to meet variable and diverse requirements from our customers. Independent R&D, transformation drive. Through unceasing research and study with advanced equipment, we're committed to pursue innovation with new technology. In order to transform from traditional vehicle to new energy vehicle applications, we've spent 16 years in research, technology accumulation, and products development. We've been investing in R&D capability to drive productivity and production relations forward. In 2012, scroll-type compressor was developed. First E-compressor production line was built in 2015. Compact version of E-compressor was developed in 2016. Heat pump E-compressor was developed in 2017. New automatic assembly line was built up in 2019. Experienced R&D teams strive for excellence for every stride in the industry. Technology and advanced R&D equipments are two solid backing of our efforts. With hundreds of invention patents and test center equipped with world-class equipments like performance test, durability test, thermocycle and environmental simulation test benches, we devote ourselves to quality products as a repay to customers' trust. Intelligent manufacturing, lean production. We take the lead because of our inheritance and our professionalism. Zoncen relies on intelligent manufacturing technology like MES production execution system to control the whole production process in the plant. PLM to manage state data for each stage throughout the product lifecycle, as well as advanced warehouse management to ensure Zoncen quality. Automatic assembly line is equipped with 6 sets of 6-axis joint robots to improve production efficiency by man-machine interaction. Quantity and sequential error prevention facilities are used in each process. Displacement, pressure sensor, and all kinds of detection equipment are used to monitor and control each process. Through QR code scanning, the traceability of parts manufacturing suppliers and process parameters and performance indicators can be realized. Zoncen devotes to improve efficiency and accuracy for the production of cutting-edge products. Using Swiss-made CNC centers and repeated positioning accuracy of 0.002 millimeters. German-made tooling fixtures with parallelism verticality range within 0.003 millimeters, as well as one-off clamping, zero positioning mode, and 6-axis joints robots from Japan. We use